Welcome to the Complete Financial Control Spreadsheet video tutorial. As this is a 5.0 spreadsheet model, it has a top and side navigation menu, dashboards showing spreadsheet information, an instructions tab where you can schedule a free class, watch this video tutorial again, unprotect the spreadsheet to make customizations, and options such as changing the spreadsheet language and currency, menu colors and fonts, changing the logo, adding or deleting tabs, and customer support. The main new features of the spreadsheet are the import of entries into the spreadsheet, allowing entries to be imported from a system or from some other version of this worksheet. It analyzes cost centers, banks, customers and suppliers, and transfers between bank accounts. In entries, we have a new form that makes entering new data much easier, being able to make single entries and also installments until the last month of the year automatically when filling out the form. Starting with Chart of Accounts, in the first Accounts tab, fill in the account group and account type. This button allows you to import entries as long as they are in Excel or CSV format. In Sub-Accounts, we have a list with the account group previously registered, which, when selected, automatically shows the type of revenue or expense. Next, we register the sub-account that belongs to that group and type. In 1.3 Cost Centers, we register the cost centers. Moving on to banks, we enter the name of the bank, starting balance, and payment methods. In customers, suppliers, we can register them by inserting name, telephone, email, and observation. Transfers allows us to break down transfers by informing the date, bank of origin and target bank, as previously registered, and value of the transfer. In the second large tab, Entries, we have the months of the year at the top. For each month, it's possible by clicking on the Enter New Revenue or Expense posting button to fill in the form with all the options that we were informed in the Chart of Accounts tab. In this case, for example, inside Launch Type, we select Unique or Installments and the payment method. As previously registered, we can select Plan of Accounts, Bank, Cost Center, Customer, Supplier. Then we can fill in the missing information. By clicking on Add, the data is automatically inserted into the worksheet. After that, we select Clear and we can do as many more entries as we want. In Financial Planning, on the Goals tab, we establish the revenue and expense goals and compare them with what was accomplished per month, generating the result goal and the realized result. Analysis shows us the total revenue, expenditure, profit or loss, and profitability by goal and by accomplished. As we establish the maximum margin of error, we can have both positive and negative alerts. Moving on to General Reports, in Cash Flow, we can visualize everything that was previously filled in, organized by General, Banks, Cost Center, and Customer or Supplier. In Revenue Statements, we can see also organized by General, Banks, Cost Center, and Customer Supplier. In Detail Accounts, the reports are both on a cash basis that counts from the payment date on an accrual basis, which analyze the posting date. Moving on to Print, we can visualize the cash flow, revenue statement, and cost center reports with charts, and also the goals, accounts payable and receivable, all organized for printing. In the fifth tab, Specific Reports, we also have the result of the day and open values, all organized by day with revenue, expenditure, and result of the day upon selecting the month. We also have the accounts payable and receivable that considers the three entry dates, release, due date, and payment. We also have reports by banks and by forms of payment. Finally, in dashboards, we have the graphical representation of all the data entered throughout the worksheet. Monthly analysis allows us to visualize the revenue, expenditure, profit or loss, and profitability when searching for the desired month with charts below them. Annual review shows us the year's profit loss total with analysis and graphs of revenue and expenses, and accounts receivable, accounts payable by month. In account analysis, we select an account group and we can view account amounts for the year, representativeness, split by account groups, and the top 5 sub-accounts, and the monthly account evolution. Specific analysis allows us to select the cost center, thus having a chart with it, the bank. We can also select the customer and the payment method, all with monthly charts. Finalizing the worksheet, in Cost Center Review, we select the month and the cost center, and we can visualize its revenues, expenditure, profit loss, profitabilities, and also some charts below such as revenue, expense, profit, loss for the year, revenue division, and the expenses division. We have reached the end of this tutorial. Thank you very much.